Now, let's look into acids. Acids can be grouped into binary or oxo acids. When we say binary, it's made up of two elements, one of which is hydrogen, the other one is the non-metal element. Now to name them, we just make use of this template, hydro, the root of the element, IC, space acid. For example, if I have HF, it's a binary acid, we call it hydrofluoric acid. Hydro, root, IC, space acid. The next one is HCl. We call it hydrochloric acid. Next one here is HBr, hydrobromic acid. And then hydroiodic acid. And lastly, we have H2S, hydrosulfic acid. Now the other group of acids, we call them oxo. They are made up of hydrogen, a non-metal element, and oxygen. Now, naming oxo acids could be tricky because they are based on the names of the polyatomic ions. So you have to somehow remember the names of these polyatomic ions. Now the rule is if it ends with ITE, if the ion ends with ITE, we will replace the ITE with OUS. If the name of the polyatomic ion is ATE, then we will replace it with IC. Here are some examples. NO3- is called nitrate ion. Thus, if I have HNO3, this is called nitric acid. ATE becomes IC. NO2- is called nitrite ion. Thus, HNO2 is called nitrous acid. SO4 2- is called sulfate. Thus, H2SO4 is called sulfuric acid. Note that for sulfuric acid, you write the entire name of the element sulfur. But still, it ends with IC because the polyatomic ion is ATE. And lastly, we have CO3 2-. We call it the carbonate ion. Thus, H2CO3 is called carbonic acid.